In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install PaintNet. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with the installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the PaintNet download page. Here I will click on this image download now, then I will click on offline installers. And that brings us to the GitHub page for PaintNet. And here I will be downloading this package right here, the WinMSI one. I will click on it and that should start the download for me. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template. And I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I will click on it. Then I will click on the button right here to download the package. And then I will go to my downloads folder. And then I will use 7-zip to extract the installation file from this zip package. And if I go inside of this folder, we can see our installation file here. Now I will open my template package and it opens up with the NuGet Package Explorer. And because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on Tools. And then I will click on Add Existing File. And here I will select the installation file that I have in my Downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Now I will double click on Chocolatey Install and on this edit button. Then once again I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that will be responsible for executing the installation from the package. Basically, it finds the installation file inside of the package, it executes the installation, and after that it removes the installation file from the computer. So to copy the snippet, I will click on the button right here, then I will go back to my package and insert the snippet here. And for it to work, we need to provide few values. For example, here I need to provide my installation file name, and for that I will go to my Downloads folder. Inside of this folder, right click on the installation file, rename, then I will select full name to include the extension, right click again and copy the name. Now I will go back to my package and insert the value here. For package name, I will enter PaintNet. Then for the file type, I will enter MSI because our installation file has .msi extension, and now we need to provide silent switches because we want Chocolatey to execute the installation silently. And for that, once again, I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have the silent switches that I will be using. So I will click on this button right here to copy the values, go back to my package and insert the values here. And that's it for modifying the script. Now we can save it and let's go back to the package. And now I need to provide a few bits of information about the package here. So I'll click on this edit button. And for package ID, I will enter PaintNet. Then for the version, I will enter 5.0.12. And I can see the version number here on the installation file name. Then for the authors, I will leave it at Let's Do Automation. And for package description, I will enter paint.net package. And that's all the mandatory fields that we need to fill in. Now let's save the information by clicking on the Save button. And now we need to save the package itself. And for that I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it in my Downloads folder. And I will also use my Downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository when I will try to install this package. So let's click on Save button right here. And now let's try to install this package. And for that I will open my terminal application and I will run it as administrator, because we need administrative privileges to execute the installation. And here I will enter choco install. Then I need to provide my package ID that you can see here in the NuGet Package Explorer. So let's enter PaintNet. And like I said, I will be using my Downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository. So I need to add -s and then provide my Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive and Downloads folder. And I will also add -y, and let's press enter and let's see what's going to happen. And the package was successfully installed. If I go to my start menu, I can see PaintNet in my recently added software list right here. So if I click on it, it opens up and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.